have a book review for you today on Art Nouveau Birds by Maysa. This is the front of the book. It is glue bound, and this is the back of the book. The book dimensions are 8.5 by 11. This is a Blue Star coloring book. There are 35 coloring pages in this book. The paper is medium weight. The pages are non-perforated. You can easily remove them with an X-Acto knife. All of the illustrations are single-sided. If you use markers, please put in a sheet of cardstock or an extra couple sheets of paper so you don't have bleed through to the next page. These birds are very true to life, with the exception of only a couple. There's a bio about the artist in the back of the book, as well as a couple of pages to test out your colors on. There should be. There they are. And there you have it. Art Nouveau Birds, a stress-relieving adult coloring book by Maysa and Blue Star Coloring.